Hello, everyone, and thank you for tuning in. Today, we're going to be looking at Bitcoin, its valuations against the US dollar, seeing Bitcoin do the first test. Remember, if you do like this video and the other videos that I make on this channel, be sure to hit the like button down below and also consider subscribing. Well, I don't mean a test of the 20-week moving average. We have yet to make contact with that there. We wicked as low this week, and it's Friday today. So for this week, we wicked as low as 43,935. The 20-week moving average right now is 42,844. So it's a little too far to say that it's the gap is a little too big for me to say that it was a successful test. But what we did test, okay, is the 20-day moving average. Okay, we made contact with it right here, and this is a step in the right direction. It's the first successful test of the 20-day moving average since since I don't even know. Um, I guess here, like November 2020, this area here when we went to it. Each the other two times here were tests of the 50-day. So now we have a successful test of the 20-day moving average. We're short-term bullish now, in my opinion. I think if we're able to hold the 20-day moving average, then it shows good signs that Bitcoin has the support it needs to continue on higher to potentially $50,000. And in all realness, $50,000 is not that far away. It's only about 7%. So with this successful test of the 20-day, I feel more confident that we'd be able to hold the 20-week when the time comes. Again, that 20-week moving average is at 42,844. It is trending down, right? It's trending down as of right now, but eventually it will level off, okay, and then start trending up with us. As long as we stay above the 20-week moving average, the 20-week moving that moving average will turn towards the upside. It won't be a dramatic upside, but it'll slowly start trending up. And so with that, this is a pretty good situation to be in. We wicked pretty low, which was kind of scary. But we're basically back where we were at the open of the week, about $47,000. So no complaints there. And we're still obviously waiting for the next week to with next week's candle to print. We want to see a couple, at least a handful of weekly candles above the 20-week moving average before we get any kind of assurance, right? It's not like it is not happened before where we come back above the 20-week and then go straight down, right? This is an example of that. This one was like a week long where we went above and then closed above and then came back down the next week. So there's other instances of Bitcoin doing this. So we would obviously want a continuation of either sideways movement or a continuation up to give us the more confidence to believe that Bitcoin is going to get back, is going to be staying above the 20-week moving average, and therefore afterwards also coming back down and making it support, just like what we see with the 20-day, right? Just like what we see with the 20-day. It's no different than that, just on a longer term time frame. We want to see this test. We want to see a test of it. We could just continue to move up, which is fine, but the risk increases at that point, and it's not something I would treat the same as Bitcoin, say, testing the 20-week. So with that said, this is what we're waiting for. One thing to take into consideration is that looks to be some kind of divergence. As you can see, we're making higher highs with Bitcoin right now, short term, but we're making lower highs on the RSI. So I don't usually talk about divergence, but I did see that today, and just something I want to pass along to you. Obviously, I think the important part is us staying above the 20-week moving average. If we're able to hold that, then a little divergence isn't going to stop it, in my opinion. Anyway, that's all for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.